Please stop acting like a $10 CEO and start having a $10,000 CEO mindset. Your focus belongs on your customers and scaling your business 10x, not on the petty technical headaches maintaining your WordPress site. Spending your time on updates, backup, security, and site speed is a $10 task that creates $1,000,000 distractions for you. Let us take that weight off your shoulder. We act as the guardians of your digital fortress, watching your site 24/7 to ensure your flag is always flying high. We maintain regular secure cloud backups stored safely away from your current hosting. We provide active shielding that kills attacks in real time, blocking hackers and malicious IPs before they ever touch your site. We also proactively monitor for every potential slowdown so you can speed up your business growth. Right now, you can join our maintenance plan for just $1 a month for your first 3 months. Need more heavy lifting? Check out our engineering care pack that gives you on-demand access to expert WordPress engineers. These are pay-as-you-go hour buckets for bug fixes, malware removal, or custom features. And the best part, these hours never expire. It's 100% risk-free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Let us handle your tech. You go build a legacy.